Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-add at pag-subtract ng mga integers. Sa pag-add at subtract ng mga integers, napakahalaga na alam natin ang konsepto ng absolute value. Nakatandaan na kung sinabi nating integers, ito ay binubuo ng mga negative numbers, zero at positive numbers. So what is an absolute value? The absolute value of the number is the distance of that number from zero. Kung gaano kalayo yung isang positive number or negative number kay zero. At dahil pinag-uusapan natin yung distance, the absolute value of the number is always positive or zero. Dahil wala namang negative value ang distance. The absolute value is symbolized by these two bars. Let us have an example. For our first example, let us find out the absolute value of positive 3 using a number line. So as you can see, positive 3 is 3 units away from 0. At dahil dyan, the absolute value of positive 3 is equal to 3. For our second example, let us find out the absolute value of negative 3 using a number line. As you can see, negative 3 is also 3 units away from 0. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 3 is also equal to 3. So as you observe, the absolute value of both negative 3 and positive 3 is equal to 3. So pakatandaan, if we are going to find the absolute value of a positive number and negative number, the result is always a positive number. The absolute value of 0 is also 0. This time, let's talk about how to add integers with the same sign. If the given integers have the same sign, we need to add them, then affix the common sign of the integers. Meaning, if both integers are negative, both integers are positive, simply add them and then copy their common sign. For example, positive 9 plus positive 13. Since both numbers are positive numbers, we are going to add them. 9 plus 13 is equal to 22. The sign of the result is positive because 9 and 13 are also positive integers. Example number 2. Negative 12 plus negative 10. So both numbers are negative numbers. Therefore, we are going to add them, then copy the common sign, which is negative. So 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Copy the common sign, which is negative, and so that gives us negative 22. Paano naman kung ang integers natin kailangan i-add ay magkaiba ang kanilang sign? If the given integers have different signs, subtract the integers. We need to subtract the integer with the smaller absolute value from the integer with the larger absolute value. In the answer, we are going to use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So again, pag magkaiba ang kanilang sign, ang gagawin po natin ay isubtract ang dalawang integers. Yung integer na may mas maliit na absolute value, ibawas natin ito doon sa integer na mayroong mas mataas na value. Ang sagot po, ang sign nito ay nakadepende kung ano ang sign ng integer with the greater absolute value. For example, 9 plus negative 3. Dahil magkaiba ang kanilang sign, we are going to subtract the two integers. 9 minus 3, that gives us 6. Since 9 has the greater absolute value, we are going to use its sign, which is positive. Therefore, our final answer is positive 6. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-subtract ng integers. Sa pag-subtract ng integers, kailangan natin ma-familiarize ang mga sumusunod na mga terms. First, we have the minuend. The minuend refers to the number from which another number is to be subtracted. Kumbaga, ito yung number na ating binabawasan. Subtrahend refers to the number being subtracted from the minuend. Ang subtrahend naman, ito naman yung number na ating ibinabawas sa minuend. Difference, it refers to the result of subtracting integers. If you are going to subtract two integers or two numbers, the result is being called as difference. Additive inverse. The additive inverse refers to the opposite sign of a given integer. At this point in time, alamin natin kung nasaan ang minuend, subtrahend, at difference kung halimbawa we subtract two integers. For example, we have 8 minus 6 equals 2. Si 8 ang tinatawag nating minuend. Ito yung binawasan. Si 6 naman, ito yung tinatawag nating subtrahend. Ito yung ating ibinawas kay 8. Ang sagot naman na si 2 ay tinatawag nating difference. Para mas maintindihan naman kung anong ibig sabihin ng additive inverse, I am going to give examples. The additive inverse of positive 5 is negative 5. The additive inverse of negative 7 is positive 7. So again, pag sinabi nating additive inverse, kung ang given ay positive number, ibigay lang ang kanyang negative value. Pag ang given naman ay negative integer, ibigay lang ang kanyang positive value. Kumbaga, ang kanyang opposite. So paano nga ba mag-subtract ng integers? In subtracting integers, we need to change the sign of the operation from subtraction to addition, and we also need to change the sign of the subtrahend, or simply give its additive inverse, its opposite. Then we are going to proceed to the rules on the addition of integers. So again, if we are going to subtract integers, kailangan nating palitan yung minus sign ng plus sign. And at yung ating subtrahend naman, ibigay natin ang kanyang additive inverse. Tapos, i-apply natin yung dalawang rules sa pag-add ng integers. Kung magkapareho ang kanilang sign, i-add ang dalawang integers. Kung magkaiba, i-subtract. At para mas maintindihan, let's have the following examples. For our first example, let us have positive 8 minus negative 6. So based sa ating sinabi kanina, ang unang gagawin po ay papalitan yung minus sign ng plus sign. At yung ating negative 6, ibigay ang kanyang additive inverse. Kaya magiging 8, as you can see, si minus naging plus, and then si negative 6 naging positive 6. Kasi ito yung kanyang additive inverse. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung magkapareho po ba o magkaiba ang kanilang sign. Dahil kung magkapareho, we are going to add them. Kung magkaiba naman, we are going to subtract them. At dahil magkapareho silang positive, we are going to add 8 and 6. So 8 plus 6 is equal to positive 14. Example number 2. So we have here negative 7 minus negative 10. Unang gagawin, papalitan yung minus sign o yung subtraction sign ng plus sign. And then, ibigay natin ang additive inverse ni negative 10. Kaya magiging negative 7, ang subtraction sign, pinalitan ng ating addition sign, kaya nagkaroon ng plus sign dyan. And then, yung additive inverse ni negative 10 ay positive 10. This time, let us find out kung magkapareho o magkaiba ang kanilang sign. At dahil magkaiba, isang negative, isang positive, kailangan nating silang isubtract. So, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. At dahil mas malaki ang absolute value ni 10 kumpara kay negative 7, we are going to copy the sign of positive 10. Kaya positive 3 ang ating final answer. And that's the end of our lesson for today.